guys, it's Elise and I hope that you guys are all well. I'm back with another OMG Her Hair wig video, and you guys should already know how much I absolutely love their wigs. This is everything that came with my wig. You may not get the same things that I have, so make sure that you contact the company just to make sure. But once again, this is everything that came with my wig. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the wig. I decided to pick up a bob this time, and I picked up their 14-inch curly ombre bob. This bob is 180% density. You guys can see that ombre color. You guys see their pre-plucked hairline, and the knots already came pre-bleached. For those of you guys out there who do not know how to customize your own wig, this wig comes fully ready to go. You don't have to do anything to it. Now, of course, I did shampoo and condition my wig as usual. However, if you're in the rush, you got this wig in the mail, just go ahead and put it on. You're ready to go. I promise you, no work needs to be done. You guys are already in set. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead and finish shampooing and conditioning this wig, and I'm going to show you guys the next step. Now, typically at this stage, I would be tinting the lace or tweezing the hairline. However, this wig, as I mentioned before, is ready to go straight out of the box. Now, this wig does come with their invisible knots, which already come bleached, so you definitely can't make it out. It looks like scalp. This wig also comes with their high definition invisible lace, so it is meltable. It'll blend in with all skin tones. You don't have to tint as I usually do. This definitely spared some time for me, and I was just able to just get the wig nicely styled up the way that I like it. But right now I'm just going in and I'm going to redefine the curls. Now I'm just using a little bit of water, a little bit of my Aussie moist conditioner. Then I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm just clumping those curls together. You guys just see how absolutely gorgeous this hair is. Like, look at it. I have never had ombre or bleached hair that looked this moisturized, and the curls just clumped beautifully. I am in love with this wig so far.
When I wake up in the morning, then I do I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it.
So now I'm going in with my 𝐎𝐿𝐴 Melt Me Down spray, and I'm going to go ahead and get this lace nicely melted. Now, I do know that the spray is known for turning white. A lot of you guys don't like it because it kind of have that built up white residue. But when I apply this, I don't use any type of wrapping strip, or I don't tie my lace down or anything like that. I just pretty much just blow dry it, and you notice that there's no white residue forming or anything like that. So that's just a quick little tip for you guys. But now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm just going to apply that to my parting space just to kind of get it to pop a little bit, because I do have on a black stocking cap underneath the wig. Here are the baby hairs. Like, I'm kind of transitioning between doing very minimal baby hairs, and pretty soon I'm probably not going to do baby hairs at all, because I find that I'm kind of getting tired of them. But of course, I do like to give you guys a few options just in case you guys may want to see different looks here and there. But now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just getting everything to look nice and flat and realistic, because you know I have like like 16-year-old braids up underneath this wig. So just in case you have caused a little extra frizz that you're not liking, just take a little bit of your foaming wrap mousse and, you know, redefine those curls. I'm kind of shingling it, but you know, kind of clumping the curls between my fingertips just to kind of make everything look nice and fluid. And here we are. Everything looks really nice and polished and put together. However, if you're the type who loves the frizz, definitely go in with the comb and go to work on this wig. But I kind of like the defined look. It looks really nice and put together, really polished and classy. You know, I am definitely feeling this look. You guys, once again, check out OMG Her Hair. I will have all of the information and details located in the info section below. Also, I have a discount code for you guys to save an additional $10 off when you spend $100 or more. So use discount code 𝐒𝐢𝐳10 to save a little extra cash. But once again, I'm going to show you guys how, you know, I'm going to do my baby hairs now, just to kind of give you guys a different look. This is just, you know, brushed down baby hairs. I'm not really good at making baby hairs look super trendy, like, you know, how, you know, people be having them on TikTok looking, but this is just a small little look. So once again, check out OMG Her Hair. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.